One, two, three. One more, one, two, three. One more, one, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. Alam ko din. Alam ko. What are you doing about? Wow! Sana may ganyan sa pesta, no? Ate, ngayon niya ato. Pampalit ng waste. Arwana. Yan oh. Hindi yan oh, yan yung ano, kakaiba yung buntot. Ito ko yun. Pero yun oh, parang arwana. Wow! Ano? Alam ko din. Alam ko. My dada, I'm sorry. Bakit? Hindi ko. Sayang. Bakit naman ng artificial sounds? Halatang dito. Ba't may mask doon? Ay, ay
ito naman, di naman ano eh. Yan lang talaga itong fence. My God. It's so, you know. Gusto kong i-video doon nga sa baka mahulog yung cellphone ko. Wow! Wait! Ay, Dana, mukhang papaya. Flower dome. Flower dome.
Wala si Dates.
This is video, guys.
Immediately jump when she saw it.
Yung golden afternoon.
Golden afternoon.
O yun, may idea. Isip nilang mag-ano, nakahan. Yung maganda pilahan. Ay, bawal
Do
ka
not
nga
show
pa.
my face. I will just be this. I'm just gonna be this.
Yes, that's you.
Yes.
And this is me.
I
And
know
then
that.
we're talking.
Yes, we are talking.
Do you know?
What?
You used to be lobster.
Yes.
Oh, really? And now you're squibby.
not reveal too much information.
Okay. So, too much information na pala yung ano mo, yung nickname mo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you gonna upload this to YouTube?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
yes, look at that Ferris wheel.
Yes, that's called Singapore Flyer.
Yes, wait, we're going under?
Yes, we're going there.
Cool! So, we're collabing right now.
Yes, we are.
So, if you...
Wow. It's amazing. And then we're going to walk in the Helix Bridge.
This is very amazing.
Yes. This is a very amazing experience.
I wish I brought my shark puppet.
Oh, really? So you can use the shark puppet instead of just your hand.
Yes, but I might use my dinosaur plushie.
Oh, yeah.
So look at that cool bike. That's pretty sick. And also there's a voice reveal. Yippee!
I think they're going to take pictures once more. No.
Alright.
I guess not.
I don't really like I don't really like taking pictures. It just slows down the time. I just want it immediately. Just do something immediately instead of picturing.
But we want to keep the memories.
Yes, we do want to keep the memories, but not every 1 minute. Also, your camera, it's kinda too light. Okay, we're recording again.
Yes, we are.
Look at those vehicles on the bridge.
Yes. What are those called?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Are those boats?
Oh, those ones? I think they are boats.
Okay.
Because they're on the water. Okay, let's just pause